Hey guys, Amber Irwin here. Okay, we are talking about our content upgrades, and this is my favorite part. Once you get the content written and you have all your thoughts on the paper and you know exactly what your content upgrade is going to be about, whether it's going to be the checklist, an ebook, a case study, now it needs to be visually appealing. So this is where our favorite tool, Canva, comes in. And I'm just going to go over this quickly with you. When you are doing a content upgrade, you want to make sure that it is in landscape, 8.5 by 11. You just look at a sheet of paper. That's really, that's what works. So in Canva, there's a free version and there's a paid version. If you plan on doing more than one content upgrade, ever making an image for social media, wanting to have branded image, your brand colors, pay the $12.95 a month for Canva. You will not regret it. So that's my public service announcement. Let's dive into what I like to do is I come to the US letter document, which is that 8.5 by 11 template. And what I do here is once I put all my thoughts and content on my Google Doc and I know that the grammar is correct, my thoughts are organized. Now I need to make it pretty. You have two options here. You can just come into here. They have all these free templates, and you can just create a simple cover and then add it to your Google Docs and create your PDF through your Google Docs, which is we've done that, and that works great. You can add different fonts and colors to your Google Doc to really spruce it up. But my favorite way is coming into Canva, and you'll see like each of these have three to five different templates. And if you put your mouse over one of them, it will, go through. So let's say I want to use this one. And so this is going to be the cover, and I can change out the font, the colors, and the image. And I'm just going to pull up my website real quick here. We have our branded colors in Canva already, and you can do that through creating a brand kit. But let's say I'm doing a social media checklist. So I can just type in here social media, and I want to click free. You are more than welcome to pay for images, and I think they're only like $1. So sometimes they have some good images. I just like to see what they have for free for my free downloads. So maybe I like this image here. I can drag this over and it's going to replace that back image. Now this pink is not one of our branded colors, so I want to make it one of our branded colors. This font here, maybe I want it to say free tips, but I want the text to be one of our texts. So our brand fonts, we use the playlist script. And so this doesn't need to be here. I can delete that. And then this can be free social media. And I want to change that to our other branded font. And I want this to be a little bit bigger. And let's make sure we center it. Perfect. And then this is going to say checklist. And obviously we need to change that. So let's change that to like maybe 88. Let's also change this to one of our fonts again. And I don't want this to be all caps, so I'm going to come up here to the double A, click that, and I also don't want it to go to that side. I want it to be centered. Perfect. So this is, free social media checklist. Now, this is my cover. Couple things you want to make sure you have your logo on here, which you can go into uploads and upload your logo. We already have ours in here, so I would come into folders and I would come into logos and I would click onto the logo we want. And then I'm going to shrink that. So in less than, a minute, I have created my cover. Then it's going to have this new page, and you can just go in order. So this is going to be this one. So again, you can type out, this is where that content from your Google Docs, then you copy it from there and you put it in here. The best part of this, let me just move me down here, is when you click to download, you can download this into that PDF file. So it automatically puts it into the right format. You have a clean, crisp content upgrade. And let's say you don't like this slide, you need another text. All you need to do is when you create that slide, you just click onto here, and then you click new page, and maybe you need this page. So you can rearrange these however you want. You can make the picture smaller and the text box larger so there's more room for text. If the spacing is too much spacing, come up here to spacing, line height, bring that down so you can fit more text into there. I love using Canva to create content upgrades because it really brings my thought of this content upgrade together. And once you're done, you have such an awesome piece that people are going to love. So this is a great way to be able to grab the attention of your audience. And you can use Google Docs for your thoughts and use Canva to bring everything together.